Hey guys, your kids are home this summer and you don't know what to make them? Then you have to try this quick and easy cheeseburger fries. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by making our burger sauce. So to our blender cup, add half a cup of mayonnaise. Along with that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 2 chipotles in adobo sauce, the juice of half a lime, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, along with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a little bit of salt. And now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Alrighty, so as we have that, now we're just going to taste it and adjust it if needed. Alrighty, and once we have our sauce, now we're just going to set it to the side until it's time to serve. Okay, now we're going to set our pan over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. And once our pan is nice and hot, we're going to add our 6 strips of bacon. Just make sure to chop them. Okay, just mix it and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Right, now that our bacon is fully cooked, we're going to remove it from the pan and just drain as much oil as possible. Okay, and now just set the bacon to the side. And in the same grease, we're going to be adding 2 jalapenos cut into rounds. And we're just going to allow us to cook for a minute. After the minute, we're going to remove our jalapeno rounds. And just set them over our paper towel so like that we can drain all the oil. Okay, now just set them to the side with your bacon. Okay, now carefully we're going to get rid of all the bacon grease. Okay, now return into our pan, add your pound of ground beef. Just going to begin to break it down. And here we're going to season it with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, garlic powder, salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and ground cumin. Continue to break down the meat and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, and at the same time, make sure to scrape the bottom of your pan. After 5 minutes, remove any grease that your meat might let out and add half of an onion. Make sure to finely mince it. Along with that, 1 teaspoon of mustard and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Just mix it real good and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so after 2 minutes, our meat is done. And here, just taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. But now just set the meat to the side so we can make our cheese sauce. Alright, now for our cheese sauce, set your pan over medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, once the butter has melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, whisk it, and allow it to cook for 1 minute. And we're just creating a roux. Okay, you just want to make sure to cook your flour so like that your cheese sauce doesn't taste grainy. Okay, so once our flour looks like that, here we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And we're also going to be adding our chile chipotle and adobo sauce. So just mix it. Now slowly we're going to begin to pour 1 cup of milk. And make sure that you're whisking as you're pouring so like that the flour dissolves. Okay, and just continue whisking until it begins to thicken up. And once it has thickened up, we have created our sauce. So it should look something like this. So here we're just going to turn it off. And now we're just going to get ready to add our freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And just add a little at a time. Allow that to melt before you add some more. Okay, so just like that, we have our cheese sauce. So now we can get ready to put it together. Right now for this recipe, you can always make your own fries, but to make it quick and easy, I'm going to be using frozen fries. And you also want to cook the fries before you cook the meat, so like that they're done and ready by the time everything is done. But I'm just going to be air frying them. So lay them in my basket, place it in the air fryer, and allow them to get nice and crispy. Alrighty guys, so once we have our fries, we're going to transfer them into our oven-safe dish. Okay, so now we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, we're going to begin by adding our cheese sauce. Top it with the meat. Here I'm going to add some more cheese. Top it with the bacon. And of course, our jalapeno rounds. Okay, Okay, now here I'm going to take it to my air fryer and just allow the cheese to melt. Alrighty guys, and once done, we can drizzle our sauce. And of course you add as much as you want. And now just pull out all your forks, call your kids, and get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course you guys want to enjoy this as soon as you take it out of the oven, so like that it's nice and fresh. But let me tell you that this right here is seriously super quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Everything is just so perfect. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my quick and easy cheeseburger fries. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.